Welcome back to the Bristol Beacon. We've had a really busy period here. Come and see what we've been up to. Here we are in the restaurant. It's been a real busy period for us in here. Traditional stonemasonry going really well. You can see some of the repairs up behind me here, all being hand stitched together. And perhaps what is a real exciting, monumental sort of moment for us here is the installation of the feature staircase over my left shoulder. What's been really difficult here is that all this steel work and all this fine finish architectural metal work has had to be brought in by hand in small pieces, then erected very sequentially up through the building. Above me is Hall 2. I'm going to go and see it next. Now we're up in Hall 2. Things in here have really moved on for me as well. So we've completed all the structural roof work. The roof is dry and that's allowed us to progress with the ornamental plastering and specialist restoration. So the roof is having a lath and plaster ceiling. We've done all the coving. And then over my shoulder, you see the plasterers are really moving on with these delicate, fine techniques, put a layer of lime plaster on for the next 6 weeks. Next, we'll go up to roof level to take a little look at the lantern roof light. Here up on roof level, it's been a difficult winter and spring, but thankfully, to my left, we've finished the Hall 2 roof. We're now putting the original tiles back on. And perhaps what is really exciting is over my right hand side, we're replacing all the rotten timbers of the original roof light, piece by piece. Now, all these have been handcrafted off-site, brought here, and the carpenters are very carefully and gingerly replacing things. Now we're stood in the lower cellar, actually at the base of what is going to form the new stage lift for the main auditorium. It's been a very complex demolition series. We've got some real big voice ties in here, slicing, dicing, carefully breaking out the Victorian arches. To my right, we've got some temporary works that are supporting some temporary works and some more temporary works, all connected to the facade retention. Real complex sequencing. From here, we're going to head up into the main auditorium. Finally, we've made it to the main auditorium. We're actually stood on the side terrace of the upper balcony. To the rear of the building, we've installed all the precast concrete tiered panels ready for the seating. Above us, we've got the new roof going on, and over my shoulder, we've got the stage end where the last of the real complex demolition and sequential steelwork installation is taking place. Right at the bottom was the stage lift where we started the journey into the Hall 1. Really, all that's left for me to do now is say thank you for joining us on a little tour, and we look forward to welcoming you back shortly.